Dataannotationtech reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong by assuming data annotation services are either overpriced or low quality, but the surprising truth about Dataannotationtech is that its pricing is competitive, while providing high accuracy labeling for AI and machine learning projects. Pricing depends on project size, annotation complexity, and data type. Simple image labeling starts around $5 per label, while more complex tasks like video or November 24, 2025 point cloud annotation can cost upwards of $50 per item. Bulk projects often include discounts, making it cost-effective for large-scale AI datasets. Here's what you actually get for your money. Step 1. High-accuracy labeling performed by trained specialists. Step 2. Flexible workflows for images, videos, text, and sensor data. Step 3. Integration with AI pipelines for seamless data processing. Step 4. Quality assurance checks to ensure consistency and reliability. You won't believe what happens next if you try cheaper and verified services. Most people get this wrong by receiving inaccurate or inconsistent data that compromises AI model performance. Dataannotationtech focuses on precision, which improves training outcomes and reduces costly retraining. To maximize value, clearly define labeling guidelines, choose a service tier that fits your dataset complexity, and review quality reports regularly. The surprising truth is that high-quality annotation directly affects AI accuracy and ROI. In conclusion, Dataannotationtech pricing is reflective of reliable, high-quality data annotation services. Understanding what you get ensures your AI projects are built on accurate, actionable datasets.